Alright, y'all. Today, we are with a special guest unit today. Here is our 1996 Amana. Well, I guess it was a 1996 because it didn't have the data sheet. What you see here, it's hard to see the data sheet. But I gotta find out where the data sheet is. Where is it? Data sheet, where are you? Model, no. Where the date at? Date! Come on, man. I'm trying to get this unit. Right now, I'm at my grandma's house. And we have I guess we have a 1996. Yeah, I pretty much figure out it's a 1996. We'll just guess it's a 1996 Amana air conditioner. You can see the compressor. It is a Bristol compressor. Here it is. Here's the model. Here's the gas. Here's the cubic feet. Electric pulls right there into the house. Well, it is. Here's the disconnect box. And here is a Linux. Here's the 1996 one. Here's the Linux air conditioner. Here's the data. Right there. I'm gonna zoom in. What year's this? What a day is. Ooh. This probably is from 1996. It's probably a 1998. I believe it's a 1998. What fan motor does it have? Probably a GE fan motor. It's an Elite Series Linux. Here's the disconnect box. Both units facing each other. What fan motor is this? Oh, there's a Gentech fan motor. It has a Gentech fan motor. It is a 1998. It is the 1998 air conditioner, Amana. This unit is called the Amana. And it is matched up with the Hio gas furnace. But okay, y'all. Okay, that's it. So all I want to do is get a video of it. Sounds really good. But nice compressors sound as loud though. There's a nice compressor to it. Here's our Toro lawnmower. We haven't got that working yet. It is stuck into the grass. Here are your engines right here. Gotta get that gas. Gotta pull up that turn. Turn hard. Yeah. There go Granny out there. And here's baby Kyra. Look. Check on the refrigerator lines to make sure they work. They probably need to. It looks good right there. I don't think there's nothing wrong with it. Hey, Kyra. There's Kyra right there. Kyra's coming closer. If you're wondering who Kyra is, that's my cousin.
I know what. Hi. Hello. You going for a walk?
That's it. I just wanted to get a video of these units right there. The Linux not running. It hasn't ran for years. Surprisingly, it's been off for years. It has never turned on. Surprisingly. At least I got more videos of my carrier than this unit. I'm just going to try to get some more videos because we'll definitely try to get a new unit and try to get a new one. It's supposed to do washer. Try to get some new stuff in here, but do I want to sell some stuff or haul it and call a truck to go haul these machines up? Unless so, we could haul it in the trailer and then drop it off to a house. So these things work. And these are not toys, so don't play with those. So don't play with these. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. If you have not, please like, comment, subscribe. And that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. And hit the bell too. Alright? Can't forget about that. Alright. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.